Hi, this is the next in the series of image to diagnosis fetal medicine. This is a 21 weeks fetus. The previous scan has been reported as agenesis of portal vein and ductus venosus and referred for second opinion. And this is the longitudinal scan of the umbilical vein ductus venosus, zoomed up image. It looks apparently normal, but is it normal? Now to label the parts, that is the umbilical vein, and that is the branch of the portal vein, and that is the ductus venosus going and joining the IVC, and that is the hepatic vein, one of the hepatic veins. So is it normal? So this is a case to illustrate the use of pattern recognition as a method of diagnosis. If you would like to go through the workup of this fetus, please log on to sonoshare.in, go to image to diagnosis fetal medicine, and see this case of abdomen, fetal abdomen veins. Thank you.